Hi everyone, Michelle Roberts with Reignited by EXP here in Wilmington, North Carolina with your Monday market update. So fall has officially arrived in Wilmington, North Carolina. We have been in the 50s over the last few days. I hope you pumpkin spice loving cold weather people are happy. I will be cold from now until next summer, but you got your season. I hope you're pleased with yourselves. So back to the real estate market. In the last 7 days, when I talk about this market, I'm talking about the Tri-County area, which is New Hanover, Pender, and Brunswick Counties. So in the last 7 days, residential properties only, 298 new listings have come on the market, 305 have closed, 337 pending. And what that means is supply is still lower than demand. There are still more buyers than sellers as of right now. There has been a slightly seasonal slowdown. This is normal. Every fall this happens. We have a little bit of a shutdown. Again, the kids are back in school. We've talked about that before. Less people want to move. We're getting ready for the holidays. Fewer people want to put their house on the market and deal with people coming through while they're trying to host family and get ready for the season. So there's that. But I will say something very important. If you are still wanting to sell your house, now is not a bad time. It is a good time. You may get fewer buyers coming through, which is okay. But any buyer that's going to step away from family time or take the time to look at your property during the holiday season, those are serious buyers. So now is still a good time. December has been one of my highest producing months many years in a row because serious buyers and serious sellers sell during that time. So do not think that I'm saying the market's cooling down. It's not a good time to sell your house. If you're ready to sell, you're ready to price it accurately at market value, you're ready to get it good for market, clean it, stage it, declutter it, then now is going to be just as good a time for you to sell as any other month of the year. So while we're talking about pricing correctly, let's talk about the number that I always look at first, and that is the price changes. There have been 171 price changes in the last 7 days. Now, a few of those have been price increases. They didn't price it correctly to start with. The seller decided they had too many showings and they need to increase the price because they want more money. Somebody input the listing incorrectly on the multiple listing, those kinds of things. But the price reductions make it the majority of those 171 price changes. Those price reductions are from sellers that price their house too aggressively. They bought into the hype, like we talked about before. Just because they see it on social media that you can sell your house for any price, or all their friends sold their house for more than asking, they start bumping up their price. Guys, we still have to price at market value. If a buyer comes in and they want to pay more than market value, they will. They'll see the value in your house, they'll understand the low inventory, and they will offer you more than market value. However, if you start your house priced over market value, an educated buyer is not going to look at that house because they know what your house is worth. There's the internet. Anybody can look up and see what the houses around you sold for. There are all kinds of estimates for house value. Do not discount your buyers. They're going and they're looking those things up. All of my buyers are getting a market analysis on your house before they write an offer, but there are other ways to get that. So they know what your house is worth. So if you overprice it, they're not even going to come and look at it. If you price it well, you're going to get the interest. You're going to get the multiple offers still, because right now, although multiple offers are down, you're still seeing multiple offers on the best listings, the ones that are priced well, the ones that are beautifully cleaned, that are decluttered. I had a multiple offer situation last week. It was a house that was priced slightly below market value. We saw it. We knew it was under market value. My buyers wanted to see it that day. We rushed out there to see it. Unfortunately, this particular buyer is not in the position to pay more than market value because it has to appraise. We did not win the bid on the house, but I'm interested to see what that closes at. Dollars to donuts, it will close at a higher price than what it was worked, what my market analysis showed, because they priced it well. They created that frenzy to get there and buy that property. A very smart listing agent, very good listing. That's the only ones that we're seeing market multiple offers on right now. So anyway, off my soapbox, back to the stats. 298 new listings, 305 closed, 337 pending, 171 price changes. If you've got questions about these stats and how they affect you if you're buying or selling, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to talk to you more about it. I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to these numbers. I find them very interesting. Give me a call, give me an email, whatever works best for you, however you're comfortable. Anyway, if this video was useful, we would love if you would like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.